For 30 years, Hunnuh done email me, stop me, and ask about who Hunnuh to be. Because Hunnuh want to know if Hunnuh to be one of we. You want to know if Hunnuh the Gullah Geechee. Well, we going to have to share answer for Hunnuh in South Kakalaki. You have to come down to Penn Center, Helena Island, November 6th through the 9th, 2025, because we going to bring Hunnuh's story alive. On that Thursday at noon, we going to have Dr. Ramona LaRoche with a genealogy workshop, digging for Gullah Geechee roots. Then on that Friday, we got the Gullah Geechee Lineage and Legacy Symposium with the award-winning, the Pulitzer Prize-winning author, Etta Fields Black. We got the Dr. Etta Fields Black. We got the Dr. Amir Jamal Tariq, a Dead Clean, and Dr. Gina Page, who going to do a reveal through African ancestry. And who else going to be there? Yours truly. This to the Queen Quet, head from the body of the Gullah Geechee. So we want you for going on the Eventbrite and get your 41st annual Penn Center Heritage Day celebration tickets. You can also follow Penn Center Heritage Day celebration on Facebook and follow we at Gullah Geechee on IG, at Gullah Geechee Nation on TikTok, and GullahGeecheeNation.com, and Gullah Geechee Nation on Facebook for yet more about the celebration what's going down in the Gullah Geechee Nation. So we going to see you in November, and we going to dig for we Gullah Geechee roots for truth.
Follow me roots and culture to teach all the youngsters. I know your mother and father.